Hello everyone, today let's talk about shift oil seal. This seal is made of rubber and metal. This color there is red and there is red-brown color. And this size is internal diameter is 70, external diameter is 95. This thing is 12. You just can through this size to find this oil seal. And this here with a spring. This is a spring. It's made of rubber and metal. It also has many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thick in the spring and thick in the skeleton. It is a well-hub shipped oil seal for heavy truck parts, and our factory can provide customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material. We all can customize. If you are interested, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.